Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to unbox and set up your new Canon iSenses MF657 CDW printer. The Canon MF657 is a multifunction color printer with print, scan, copy, and fax functionality featuring Wi-Fi and cloud-based Universal Print by Microsoft, allowing you to connect with documents from Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. With your new printer, achieve ultimate productivity with fast printing and scanning speeds up to 21 ppm with a 12.7 centimeters color touch control panel, plus versatile media handling for small documents. You also benefit from advanced security features like system verification and secure PIN for sensitive data protection. So, let's get started! Let's start with unboxing your new printer, making it ready for use. All the following steps can be applied to all Canon iSenses MF650 series printers. In the box, you will find the printer, power cable, a multilingual setup guide and safety instructions, 4 starter toner cartridges, 1 black and 1 for each color, DVD-ROM for setup, and modular cable, RJ11. We start off by placing the printer at your required position, and then we remove the protective orange tape from the printer. We take the power cable and plug it in the printer on the rear end and plug the other end into a power outlet and switch on the printer. You then select your preferred language from the color touch screen on the printer, followed by the country, region, and time zone you're in. The printer comes with pre-installed toner cartridges. You can see the yellow, magenta, cyan, and black toner cartridge in their respective slots. Now, let's get back to completing the printer setup. Insert the DVD that comes with the printer into your laptop and/or desktop. Run the setup file on the DVD. Alternatively, you can also download the printer setup software file from the website. By selecting the appropriate printer category and the printer model, the website will automatically detect their computer's operating system and provide the latest downloads, including software, manuals, drivers, or firmware. Once the setup is complete and your printer is now connected to your computer, you can now run a print test. Pull out the paper drawer, align the paper guides with the size of the paper to be loaded, load the papers into the drawer, and push the drawer back in to close the drawer. You may now run a print test on your new printer. Now that we have already set up your new Canon iSenses MF657 CDW printer, it is time to connect the printer to the wireless LAN. You go to the Operations panel on the home screen of your printer's touchscreen. Press Wireless LAN. Search for the wireless LAN router you want to connect, select that name, and then enter the network key. Your printer is now connected to wireless LAN. Your printer can also be operated from a smartphone, tablet, or other mobile device. By using a compatible application or service, you can easily print photos or documents through a mobile device and save data scanned with the machine to the same device. You can download the dedicated Canon Print application from Android and Apple stores and search for Canon Print Business to install on your mobile device. Make sure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your device. Once you have downloaded and installed the dedicated application, connect your mobile device to the printer using the mobile application. Add the printer to top left. Search for your printer by selecting the Auto Search option. In this case, it will show MF650C series. Alternatively, you can connect through QR code option as well, which you can find under the mobile portal on the touch screen. When the mobile device is connected to the machine via LAN, the IP address information of the machine or displaying of the QR code is required to register the machine to Canon Print Business. You can view the IP address and display the QR code with Home screen, Mobile portal, LAN connection tab. You are now ready to print. You have the option to print photos or documents, as well as scanning and copying. Select Document. Choose the file that you want to print. You can also change the print settings. Choose the settings as you require. Click Print, and it's done. Now, for scanning or copying, the process is slightly different. Start by putting your document in the printer and launch the command from your smartphone to scan or copy. Capture the documents you wish to scan, and then the application will automatically select the dimension of the document based on the size of the document you're scanning. Once the document size is selected, you can save the document to your device or print directly through your printer. The printer also comes with duplex scanning option. You can also choose duplex printing option for double-sided printing. To ensure efficient use of the printer, regularly clean the various parts and keep them clean. Turn off the power and remove the power cable from the outlet. Wipe the surface of the printer with a soft cloth soaked in water or a diluted neutral detergent and wrung out. And then wipe the ventilation slots with the same soft cloth. Allow the parts to fully dry before plugging in the power cable back into the outlet and turning on the printer. Cleaning the plate and glass. Turn off the power and remove the power cable from the outlet. Open the feeder. Wipe the plate and glass and rear of the feeder with a soft cloth soaked in water and wrung out. Next, wipe with a soft dry cloth. Allow the parts to fully dry before you close the feeder and turn on the printer. If you encounter any irregular print quality, including streaks, uneven printing, ink smudges or splatters, white spots, if it's partially faded, and if color or stains appear on print, this means it is time to look into replacing some of the consumables. Let's show you how to replace the toner cartridges. But before we get into the actual step-by-step process, please make sure your printer is on and do not turn it off. Open the front cover. Pull out the toner cartridge tray. Pull the toner cartridge straight up and out of the tray. Remove the new toner cartridge from the packing. Shake the new toner cartridge 5 or 6 times to evenly distribute the toner inside the cartridge. When installing, please make sure you install the toner cartridge into the slot with the same colored label. And because the bottom of the cartridge is unprotected, please make sure you do not bump the bottom of the toner cartridge against the slot frame or other parts when installing. Once you have placed the toner cartridge, please close the locking cover. Push it down until you hear a click sound. This means your cartridge is successfully installed. Your MF650 series printer comes with the secure printing feature. If you wish to set this up, please follow the instructions on the link provided.